Good evening, friends. Today, 20 April 2020, uh, there is curfew in Punjab. Yesterday, CM Captain Minder Singh refused to give any relaxation to Punjab people due to coronavirus, and we want to inform you about some data regarding, if any, relaxation for Punjab industry during the curfew district wise. First one, we talk to Mohali district. A government official told us industry position stays the same as before, as previously allowed those industry to work who could basically to a factory quarantine and had labor at site already. Only addition was the adjacent building clause from Ministry of Home Affairs. Did not allow the private daily transport, constructions, and we allowed in site only that too selectively, such as Kharad flyover by NHI, something in Chandigarh University as they made our CCC. In Firozpur, we talk about Firozpur relaxation in, if any, for the curfew for industry. Then major industries, brick kiln, rice shelling mills, they are allowed. NHI allowed permission in at 3 locations with due safeguards. There is no any blanket permission. As we talk about Moga, Nestle is the biggest industry which is operating since the first phase of imposition of curfew with all safeguards. Government have facilitated them with all backward linkages and allowed some of their subsidiaries. Some industry in focal point Moga manufacturing essential goods will be given specific permission today and an undertaking to adhere to the health and safety norms. In Moga, also no blanket approval for industry as on date. As we talk about Hoshiarpur, no relaxation, and any industry that wishes to start its operation has to apply to DC first, and a 3-member committee of GMDIC, ALC and DD factory examining its on basis of condition mentioned in Government of India order dated 15 April 2020. Thereafter, permission is granted on case-to-case basis. Decision is convened to the industry concerned within 24 hours. As we talk about Fatehgarh Sahib, which includes Mandi Govindgarh also, continuing with a curfew, no relaxation for industry. Godown had to permitted with all safeguard since the interstate movement of essential goods is allowed. In Ludhiana, no onward, and we talk about Ludhiana, now onwards will allow in rural areas and dedicated industry area whose units which will be offer industrial quarantine or transport to labor with other health protocols. Till now, relaxation are available to essential items, medical related industry only. And this is all we talk about the Punjab industry, and these data we found from a senior Punjab government official, and it is a pure, we can say you can't allow any blanket you can say this no, there is no any blanket permission, and Punjab police official is very strict in curfew, we want to tell you about Sangrur, previously exemption granted, if not revoked earlier, to continue any further permission on case-to-case basis, keeping in the view of Government of India guideline and Punjab government directive. In Barnala, mostly agriculture implements and combine are made here. These are allowed to operate. Earlier, Trident was also allowed to operate as they are making personal protection equipment kits. And this is all happening in Punjab, and we will talk in future also as we found any updation regarding curfew, and we will talk again. Thank you.